take a walk down there. And by the way, that wood boiler has never been fired up yet. We just didn't have enough time to cut enough firewood to keep that thing going this year, so we've been cutting firewood as we go for the wood stove in the basement. But we're running a backup boiler, which is supposed to be backup for the wood boiler. It's a gas-fired boiler to heat the water in the floor right now. So I decided not to put any water in this outdoor wood boiler because I knew we wouldn't have time to cut up that much wood, and then I'd have to be paying for gas to not only heat the water for the floor, but also to heat the 350 gallons in that wood stove. Over there, I've got some definite sawmill stuff. Some of them are mine, a couple of them belong to other people who want me to cut them up for them. I do have some logs out here that were going to be for stuff on the sawmill. I've cut a couple of those up already. I don't use the sawmill very much in the wintertime. I wish I could. I really enjoy running that thing. I have a tarp over the engine head and everything, but not over the rest of the sawmill. I want to build a building for that really bad, but there's so many other priorities, you know, right up there. We all have a list of things we want to do, our want to list. And then we have a have to list, things we have to do. And unfortunately, there's just so much more on the have to list than there is on the want to list. And once in a while, you can take a short break from that have to list and do a little thing or two on the want to list to make you feel better, keep you enthused about life. Okay, let's see here. That stump right there is probably going to be a table base. It's one thing nice, that nice super wide sawmill. I can cut the top off on that, nice and flat, and then flip it over and cut the roots off flat, parallel with the top. I can do that with, I had them custom build the bed on the saw. Had them do a couple things for me, and they said, why do you want that? And I told them so I can do tree stumps and flip them over and cut and they said, oh, hey, that's a good idea. I don't know if they've done it for anybody else since then or not, but I'll show it to you sometime when I'm on the sawmill running it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Maybe that log right there. There's a couple little mushrooms on the end there, but that would probably be a good one to get cut up and out of here. That one behind it, that has a nice crotch in it. That would probably be some nice bar top wood or something. In fact, I gotta check the length on that. It's probably not quite long enough. I need a log that's at least 14 feet long for my bar top in the basement. A couple more tree stumps. You can see I got one tree stump there, one here, one there. There's deer. I think I'll get this one here dug out first. I think I'll fire up the excavator and get over here. That way I can get this one pulled out. Sounds like a game plan. I think I'll go start the excavator. Man, I want to uncover that thing and run it. It's not a bad day today, but I just need firewood. Got to tend to that first before I can do anything else. I think I'll come over here and grab these couple little cherries over here first, though. Sounds like a game plan. better go look over there in that pile, see what else I got over there. See if there's anything else that needs to be cut up or saved for the sawmill. Maybe I'll take you guys with me. Pretty nice. So let's see, I got a crotch there. Not the best crotch in the world for tabletops or anything. Let's see. Maybe I'll pull a couple of them out of there and see what they look like. There's a large diameter piece right there that might work for some tabletops or something. If it's still got enough life in it. Not life, but you know what I mean. Enough good wood left. Some of this stuff should have been used a year or two ago, but I just been too busy working on the house. Haven't had time to play much. Guess we'll dig something out and see what we can find over there. think that's enough sawing for today. Now I gotta go get the tractor, load up some rounds, and take them over to the splitter. Huge sheet of ice just fell off the roof over here. It went beyond that doorway. That doorway is 20 feet wide from there to there, and it stretched in both directions beyond there. It scared the crap out of me. Funny, it happened just as I grabbed a hold of the lever to raise the bucket, grabbed the lever and pulled back on it, and crash! I thought, what the heck did that do? This has got a big old wing on the side of it here. Gonna make it a pain. Trying to get in the bucket and to split. This one's a little crotch piece. A little bit bigger and make nice little tabletops. This has some rot around the outside of it, but there's a lot of good wood in the middle of it, so we'll split the rot off the outside, use the inside, burn it up. If I don't use part of it, I just got to haul it down to the burn pile. See if we can get any good out of it. You guys all right? You just fell on your face whether you know it or not. I don't know when it happened either. Probably just before I picked up that really heavy piece. Well guys, taking the last of the rounds over there, dropping them off by the splitter. That might be the end of this video. I'm not real sure. I know we've got yesterday's cutting the stuff on there. It's probably going to be on the same video. So in case that is the case, I'll say goodbye now and just thank you for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching the videos and subscribing. And if you get a chance, share one with a friend. See if they like it too. If you care to, there's a notification bell. You can hit that and it'll let you know when we come out with another video if you want to. Like I said, thanks for watching. Have a good day and